Hi everyone, my name is Jovan Montemayor and I will be discussing the topic of Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. So these are the content or fundamental concept of Object-Oriented Programming or OOP. So the first content will be introducing the concept of object-oriented programming or OOP and significance in software development. So object-oriented programming or OOP is a paradigm where software is structured around objects, combining data and behavior. It enhances code modularity, reusability, and promotes a clearer, more intuitive design compared to traditional procedural programming. The second content will be the core concept of object-oriented programming or OOP. So the first concept, which is the classes. A class serves as a blueprint or template for creating objects. It defines the properties or attributes and behaviors or methods that objects of the type will have. Instances or objects are then created based on these classes, inheriting their characteristic. The second one will be the objects, or instances of classes in object-oriented programming encapsulating both data or attributes and behavior or methods. This encapsulation promotes modularity and clearer organization in software design. The third one will be the encapsulation. It involves bundling the data or attributes and methods that operate on the data within a class, hiding the internal implementation details. It exposes only a public interface, allowing controlled access to object functionality while maintaining abstraction and security. And the fourth one will be the inheritance. Allows the creation of a new classes or subclasses by inheriting properties and methods from existing classes or superclasses. This promotes code reuse, extensibility, and establishment of hierarchy where subclasses inherit and extend the characteristics of their parent classes. And the last concept will be polymorphism. It enables objects to exhibit different behaviors in response to the same method, call, or message. It enhances flexibility and allows unified interface for diverse objects. So the third one will be the real-world analogy. So think of a classes as recipe books, objects as individual recipes, and inheritance as passing down a family recipe to a new generation, inheriting its ingredients and instructions. So the first one will be the code demonstration. So these are the C# example. And the next one will be the Python example. So in both C# and Python, imagine recipe books as classes and individual recipe as objects. Inheritance represented by a special recipe, inheriting from a basic recipe book, allows the new recipe to share and modify details. This reflects the idea of passing down family recipes to create the new variations. So summarization. Object-oriented programming or OOP principles showcased in this presentation are crucial for building modular, reusable, and maintainable software. By using classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation, developers can create flexible code structures that enhance modularity, promote code reuse, and simplify maintenance. OOP provides a powerful framework for designing robust software systems. That's all. Thank you.